welcome to my YouTube channel Kids on Magic World. Friends, today our topic is essay on money comes and goes, morality comes and grows in English. In the ever-changing landscape of human existence, money and morality stand out as two pivotal forces influencing our lives. Money, with its inherent fluidity, represents a transient, often volatile element of our daily affairs. Morality, on the other hand, symbolizes a more enduring and involving aspect of our character and society. The adage "money comes and goes, morality comes and grows" and encapsulates the idea that while financial wealth may fluctuate, our ethical principle and moral understanding develop and strengthen over time. This essay explores the dynamics of money and morality, illustrating how their interplay shapes human behavior, societal structures, and personal growth. The nature of money. Money, by its very nature, is transient. It is a tool for facilitating transactions, a means of exchange, and a measure of value. Its impermanence is inherent in its fluctuating value, susceptibility to inflation, and the reality of economic cycles. Wealth can accumulate rapidly and dissipate just as quickly, as evidenced by historical financial crises, personal bankruptcies, and the volatile nature of investment market. The experience of sudden wealth or financial loss often underscores the impermanence of money and its impact on individuals' life. This fluidity of money can lead to a focus on material gain and the pursuit of financial security. Individuals and societies often measure success and well-being through economic prosperity. However, the fleeting nature of wealth can also lead to a sense of instability and anxiety. As money comes and goes, it highlights the limitations of financial success as a sole indicator of fulfillment and happiness. The essence of morality. In contrast to money, morality represents a deeper, more stable component of human life. Morality encompasses the principles and values that guide our behavior and decisions. It is rooted in ethical considerations, cultural norms, and personal belief about right and wrong. Unlike money, morality is not subject to the same kind of rapid change. Rather, it evolves gradually through personal reflection, societal development, and cultural shifts. Morality grows over time through experiences, education, and social interaction. Individuals often refine their moral perspectives as they encounter diverse viewpoints, face ethical dilemmas, and reflect on their own values. Societies too experience moral growth as they address social justice issues, adapt to new ethical standards, and strive to improve human rights. The interplay between money and morality. The relationship between money and morality is complex and multifaceted. Financial success can sometimes create moral dilemmas where the pursuit of wealth conflict with ethical principle. For instance, practices such as corporate greed, exploitation, and corruption highlight how the drive for profit can lead to moral compromises. Conversely, financial resources can also be used to support moral causes such as charitable work, social justice initiatives, and community development. In many cases, the pursuit of money can overshadow moral considerations. The intense focus on financial gain can lead to ethical lapses where individual or organization prioritize profit over integrity. However, this does not negate the potential for moral growth through financial endeavors. Many people use their financial resources to make a positive impact, demonstrating that money, while transient, can be a tool for moral progress. Personal growth and moral development. Personal growth is intimately connected with the development of moral values. As individuals navigate the complexities of life, they encounter various situations that challenge their ethical beliefs and prompt self-reflection. These experiences contribute to the evolution of their moral compass, leading to a deeper understanding of themselves and their place in the world. Financial success or failure can serve as a catalyst for moral development. For example, the experience of sudden wealth may prompt individuals to reassess their values and prioritize, leading to a greater emphasis on philanthropy and social responsibility. Conversely, financial hardship can foster resilience, empathy, and a greater appreciation for non-material aspects of life. Societal implications. On a societal level, the interplay between money and morality shapes cultural and institutional norms. Societies that prioritize ethical values tend to develop systems that promote fairness, justice, and the well-being of their members. Conversely, societies driven primarily by financial interest may experience moral challenges such as inequality and corruption. The evolution of societal morality often follows the trajectory of economic and social changes. Historical movements for civil rights, gender equality, and environmental sustainability reflect the growing moral awareness of societies. These movements illustrate how moral principles can guide collective action and bring about positive change even in the face of economic pressure. Conclusion. The as money comes and goes, morality comes and grows serves as a reminder of the contrasting nature of financial wealth and ethical values. While money is transient and subject to the whims of economic forces, morality represents a more stable and evolving aspect of human life. The interplay between these two elements influences individual behavior, societal structures, and personal development. Understanding the impermanence of money and the enduring nature of morality can lead to a more balanced approach to life. By recognizing the limitations of financial success and the importance of ethical principles, individuals and societies can navigate the complexities of existence with greater wisdom and integrity. As we strive for personal growth and societal progress, it is essential to remember that while money may come and go, the growth of morality is a testament to our enduring quest for a just and compassionate world. Thank you friends for watching my video. Friends, I hope you like my video. Friends, if you like my video, so please subscribe, share and comments. Bye friends.